Yes, this is my first time in Boracay. It was never part of our plan na pumunta because the original plan was a car trip from Manila to Siquijor. Then, one of my business partners recommend na daanan yung Boracay since to naman din yung daan pagtawid ng Roro. So, we gave it a try. We arrived around lunchtime, walk by the beach. Day 1 here at Boracay. Hello, hello. Then watch the sunset, dinner, and rest na. Ready for the next day's land trip. And day 2 is at Iloilo. So kumain muna kami sa Alicia's, of course, ng batchoy. They serve an overload lapas batchoy here. And they also made the place nostalgic vibes of the 1980s and 90s batchoy house. Our next stop is at Roberto's, where we are so excited to try their king and their massive flagship, Queen Siopaw, located here at the very heart of Iloilo proper, where you could also observe the famous No Wires area because they made it underground. Pero grabing daming tao sa Roberto's. Mabilis naman yung pila, pero nakaka-pressure kasi dapat mabilis ka din umorder. Let's taste it! So this is the Santo Tomas de Villanueva Parish or the Miyag Out Church. It's a 1-hour drive from the city proper, and it is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its fortress Baroque architecture. Sa loob kasi nito, makikita nyo yung mga bato niya na malalaki at makakapal kasi designed siya to defend the coastal town against Moro raiders and pirates. And also, it is designed to double as watchtowers. This church is designed to survive centuries of natural disasters, most especially earthquakes and including typhoons. And ito, pinupuntahan din ng mga tao kasi merong imahe ng mukha ni Jesus dito sa isang part ng bato ng mga wall dito sa simbahan. So that's it for the city tour. Diretso na kami ngayon sa Dumangas to spend the night with the relatives.
No, di marunong.
Hindi naman talaga ako marunong.
Di marunong to.
Ayan o.
Suka, ma. Naluto yan, ma?
Oo.
Ay, niluto. Dapat yung hindi. Para
Ano yan?
legit. Ano? Ha?
Oh, hawag sabi mo kayo. Oyster na fresh from the sea.
Wait lang. Pakita mo muna yung oyster.
Fresh.
Yan,
Okay na?
go. Ba't
Di ba
ganyan mo
nalaglag
ka?
eh? Okay man.
Sarap.
Nasaan dagat? Madami pa. Sabi, wala mahirap ang tayo nakita.
Pato.
Ikaw naman, saan ganito? Fresh and while umuulan. Ay, nalaglag.
Ang number mo? Hindi ka magsalig. Kasi ano number ka? Pagkasubong mo yung mag-apo.
Third day is here pa rin at Dumangas, Iloilo. Today is a very chill day lang. It's more like side errands day. But we stayed here at Kim's Batchoyan while waiting. And we tried their buko batchoy. Yes, may lasang buko yung sabaw, tapos buko juice kasama din sa serve. Supposedly punta kaming Guimaras Island, but we took time to re-energize kasi tomorrow is going to be a long drive to Bacolod, Dumaguete. So, if you plan to visit Dumangas area, try buko batchoy here at Kim's Batchoyan. There's a relaxing views na din. Day Day 4, touchdown here at Bacolod. At syempre, diretso agad mag-chicken inasal. Then, we visited the ruins. Ito, sikat na puntahin dito sa Talisay, Negros Occidental. A very historical place because of its architecture design, history, and romantic backstory. That it was dubbed as the Taj Mahal of the Philippines. Made only by grade A materials, this mansion was dedicated by Don Mariano Lacson to his beloved wife Maria Braga, the same reason why letter M was carved into the pillars and edges of this structure. But during the World War II, Filipino guerrillas set it ablaze to prevent the Japanese imperial forces from seizing it and use it as their military headquarters.
Punta tayo dito sa the Greens, the greenery. So doon yung the ruins. Tapos dito yung the greenery. Pasok, pasok. So para sa mga plantita, here we go, welcome. Pasok.
Lunch showroom.
Tara. Yan yung sightseeing dito. Tapos meron din mga cafeteria. May extra bayad dyan kung gusto nyo ng parang consumable na magkakain kayo, magstay kayo dito. Tapos ito yung magandang place. Ayan. So yung madalas dito yung mga yung tawag doon? Prenuptial photo, ganyan. Tapos maganda. Oh, ayan. Ito yung hacienda namin. Joke. Hindi naman hacienda, pero ang ganda. Kung ganito kalaki yung property na meron ka. Diba? Sa Pilipinas to. Pilipinas kung mahal.
Our next stop is here at Kampasuhan Highland Resort. It's a 30 to 35 minutes drive from the ruins, and this place is known for the larger-than-life attractions, but there are also a lot of action-packed adventures here, and different swimming pools all over the place, relaxing view, and variations of cabins and lodges for overnight stay. Day tour lang kami here since it's already fully booked for overnight stays. Medyo malayo to from Bacolod City proper. They offer shuttles naman, but it will be challenging if you opted for a commute. So if you're planning to go here, better if you have car or go for the shuttle or maybe rent a car.
This way to ostrich feeding.
Ganda ko ng mga kakaibang video.
Endangered.
Ito lang.
Wala, lumilipad pala sila na. Kaya talon-talon lang. Ostrich feeding. Ay, nakatingin sila dito.
Ang lilit pa. Mga baby.
Baby ostrich. Hi. Hi.
Ito yung pinaka-importante sa lahat ng
Yan nga, sagupaan na ng mga
ang linis nila no?
white and the black. Joke lang. Mga duck. Ayan. Sagupaan na kayo. Ang sabi, anong chinichika-chika-chika dyan? Okay. Doon tayo pupunta. Oh, sagupaan na sila. Nag-iisap sila. Kung ano mga buhay.
Kaya mo. Dito kami.
Oo. Nag-aatrasa na sila. Wala silang pakialam sa pinagsasabi ninyo.
Pero mga unggoy, kami yung papakainin, hindi kayo.
Good morning, day 5 on our travel, taking branch here at Cafe Alicia, Pamplona, Negros Occidental.
Isipin natin ang in-order ni Lalabs.
David, nangunguha ka ng kape.
Sinitiwan ko lang. Ang in-order ko ngayon ay Pamplona Native Coffee. Tignan natin yung label. This is called,
Saan yung big ko?
ayun, Pamplona Native Coffee. Dito tayo sa Cafe Alicia. Cafe Alicia. Tapos meron silang ito, native from Pamplona. Pamplona Native Coffee. Siyempre, dadayo ka na lang din dito. Tikman natin yung kanilang native coffee.
Ayan, maulan nung nagpunta kami, kaya hindi open yung sikat nilang color slides. And ganyan, cloudy yung scene. But I believe maganda ang tanawin if skies are clear.
Driver! Manila, hanggang dito.
Ay, medyo makulimlim lang today. Pero maganda dito. Ayan. Sa pagdating dito, basa ata. Ganito yung place niya. Papakita ko sa inyo. From here. Tada! Ganda, diba? Tapos pag medyo maliwanag, makikita nyo yung overlooking view. Kaya lang makulimlim. Medyo maulan kasi ngayon. So next one, bababa tayo. Maulan. Habang inaantay namin yung food, tour muna tayo dito. Ito yung itsura. Uy. Oh wow. Meron palang staycation dito. Yan, tapos may pool. Magkano kaya? Meron din bar sa baba. Oo, tapos meron din dito. So, pwede din pala doon. So, pwede magstay. Tapos, sa baba. Sobrang malawak pa siya. Bonfire. Doon. Ang magagandang flower. Tapos, ito yung bar nila. Lang dito siya, medyo tagong lugar siya sa Dumaguete. Aakyat pa kayo ng medyo bundok, so pag pupunta kayo dito either may service kayo, car, most preferred syempre car, walang parang commute, or not sure kung may papayag na Grab or Angkas. So ito yung second floor bar nila. Yan.
Saka ito yung, ano tawag dito?
Bougainvillea.
Wait, kinakain ba yan?
Hindi.
Lagi yung ganyan dito. In-order ko namin lagi yan.
Wow. Tapos meron silang, talaga to, lemonade siya. Sweet Bougainvillea.
Bougainvillea. Narinig ko na sa yan eh. Sa mga Bougainvillea. Mga ganun. Ayan yung sa likod mo, di ba?
Oo. Ayan. Tapos binigyan kami ng, mushroom soup.
Hindi.
Ano ba?
Kalabasa soup.
Kalabasa soup. Wow. Very Pinoy. Pumpkin. Yan. Binigyan kami ng, sabi ng kasama ko, kalabasa soup.
Pumpkin soup.
Ay, pumpkin soup.
Tinagalog ko. Kalabasa naman sa Tagalog.
Titikman natin. Ang sarap. Lasang,
Pumpkin.
lasang ginataang, ginataang kalabasa. Ganun.
Ito lala.
Ganito.
Ito, wala tayo.
Hmm? Tapos meron siyang anghang ng ginger. Ang sarap.
Ano to? Favorite ko dito.
Mm.
Yeah.
Tapos meron tayong bread. Ano to, Lala?
Tomatis.
With ganito. Lalagyan mo ng salad. Yan. Ang harap. Sulit naman, Lala. Habang ginagawa ko.
Ayan na, okay.
Kita ba? Titikman na natin tong ano. Ito, dito mo ito. Ang bougainvillea. Lemonade. Hmm?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, go. Cheers. Sarap. Lasang bawang joy. Lasang nag-balance yung maasim, tapos na-balance ng cucumber. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung may lasa yung bougainvillea, pero parang lasang nature. Tapos, may ganitong nature. Wala lang. Merong nakahanging dito.
Ha?
Merong nakaano dito. Nakahangin.
Finally arrived here at Siquijor, my second time here. Not visited much activities here kasi maulan pa din, so puro food trippings lang. Next day is a brunch ulit, so that's it. My week of travel from Manila to Siquijor. Hope you enjoy watching, subscribe, and see you on my next videos.